All right, so the first thing I wanna show you in this section is user profile. So you could see at the header section you have the login ID, the phone number that we logged in with. You could do a quick update. You could click on this little update or edit button. This will help you to enter your email address. Remember what we kind of did was a quick way to access the app. But if you really want to use it and get us to interact with you, or maybe you have a winning and you need things to happen with your account, then you need to fill up this information. So there are information you fill up later. Your email address will be needed. Your actual physical address will be needed if you have to mail maybe a check or a gift that you win on the app. If we have to mail it to you, you need to enter it. These are all optional. But if you want to receive a gift from us, you need to fill it in. Otherwise, you can leave it blank. And then your bank information. So if we have to send a proceed or do a transfer to your bank, we'll need your bank information to be able to transfer money to you. So you would need the bank name, the account number, and if there's a bank SWIFT or whatever it is, you can enter that and click update. It will save. Next up is the view profile menu. That menu right there. So if you click that, it gives you it gives you a quick overview of you using the app. So it gives you see your user profile, your account details, your rank. Because I just joined, I'm not going to be ranked. And after I've participated in some contest, then I have a chance of getting ranked. My current balance. So when I sign up, I got 1,000 points as free points, promo points, so I could use that to actually enter contests and start, getting started with using the app. So I'll go to the my details section again. I showed you some. I have my phone number there. Email is missing. My country, of course, is Nigeria. Bank name, SWIFT code, and I noticed that now you can see my promotion code. So if I need to invite other users to join the app, what's going to happen is, if they join, I'm going to receive some free point, and the user that use my promo code to join, they're also going to receive some free points as a result of that. So it's both of us actually get additional points that we both can use to play contests and stand a chance of winning. So that's pretty cool. Each promo code is unique to each user. Once you're ready to update your profile, just keep on update profile. You could do that. You can also change your password here. I'm not going to do that right now. And the next one is entered contest. So what this is, it gives you an overview of the contest that you've entered. Notice I've never entered any contest. It's my first time signing up for the app. So this is all I see. All the history or the record I have is just a promotion point that I earned, which is 1,000 points. And I've not used any points yet, so it's blank. But by the time we actually start using the app, you're gonna start seeing a lot of activities in this section. Point history is really the same. You see the points that I've earned, maybe from joining contests. Right now, it's only promotion points that I have, and the points that I've used, I've not used any. There are other features here. I don't know when you're going to be using these, but very soon on some of the updates we're making to the app, this will change. But the way we have it right now is contest entry. So you can go to contest entry. It takes you back to that page that I showed you earlier. What you've earned and what you've used is all you see there. You could see transfer points. So if I want to transfer my point to somebody else, I'm able to do that. Now, notice that you see the summary point that I have. That's a total 1,000 points that I've received for free, promotional point. And there is a redeemable point. So if I want to redeem my point, right now is 0 because I haven't really done anything. All I have is promotion point, and I can't use that. I can't redeem that. all I can use my promotion point to do is play some contests, right? So use it as a free entry to contest. And then once I start you doing transactions, I start building redeemable points. And that's what I can actually transfer to users. So right now I can't transfer, but when I have enough transaction, I'll be able to do that. We'll come back to this section later on. And then am I missing anything? Okay, point history, price to cash option. So this, I will again show you this later on. This is when you actually you enter contest, you win a specific price, and this is a way of you claiming your prize or whatever you've won. So that's a way for doing that. Once I have transaction, I'll come back to that. And then the ranking. So if you go to the ranking, it shows you the current leaderboard throughout the app. You see some of the leaders in the app, the first 10. So usually each contest is going to have a leaderboard, and then there is also going to be a weekly leaderboard. The weekly leaderboard is like a grand prize. A certain price is set. If you rank, then you might get something, depending on what promotion is happening. But a lot of time that could be like winning 100,000 naira or 1 million naira if you rank. So the goal is really to participate in more contests so that you stand a chance to be ranked in a weekly contest, and then you can actually be one of our weekly winners. However, if you enter into specific contests, there are prizes to be won at that level as well. So you have a lot of options to win. In this case, if we were to go with this leaderboard, these are the people that have actually won for the week, and you could see the contests. I mean, their points that they've won across all the contests they participated in within the week. This number usually resets at the end of every week, and then you start new. It's a weekly leaderboard, you start a chance. Now, your point doesn't go away. You still have your points. You could use that to win, to enter into contests and do all of that. But to be able to rank, which is really where the weekly winners will have a lot more prize in the pot to win. But the contests, depending on the contest, there are some contests based on the price available and all. You will see before you enter the contest, you will actually see details of what you win and all of that. So you have all that information. But I think this is cool to kind of show what the leaderboard looks like. And then after that, no, I don't want to quit. Let me go back to my profile. Then fund wallet. So this is pretty cool. So let's say I've exhausted all my points, free point and all of that. I'm done with that. You can actually come here and purchase points. You could see if I say I want 5,000 points, that's going to cost me 5,200 naira. If I want 500 points, it's going to cost me 1,080 and so forth, right? So you look at whatever is suitable for you. If you want just 100 points, it's 360 naira. If you want 300 points, you can notice that's double, right? You get more points for double the for just you get triple the point for just double the price. So it's more bang for your buck. So it's a better deal. However, because I'm in the Nigerian location, that's why I'm seeing this in Naira. And you're seeing PayPal, by the time the app actually goes live, you're going to see a different currency and point and amount and all of that is based on where you're opening it from. So if let's say I'm opening it in South Africa, my currency is going to be in rand. So what I see here will be slightly different, but the same logic still applies, right? You can buy in rand, and then the option of purchase might be different. I know PayPal is not allowed in Nigeria, but I'm able to use PayPal in South Africa. So it's just gonna be based on where I'm at and what I could use. So Nigeria, you're probably gonna be seeing Paystack when the app is live. So I will be able to go to Paystack and replenish my account with points, and I could use the point to enter contests. Now I don't have to do that. I can also invite people. Remember, we have the unique promotion code. You could send that to friends. Once they join, you get free points. That's a way to get points. Or you enter contest, and when you enter contest, you actually win points. with each contest as well. So you have a chance of redeeming points, and you can always play for more contests with the point you win. So that's that on purchase point. This just gives you an option. If you want to purchase point, you can do that. And if you say you purchase point and you want to cash, you want to get a refund, or you want to cash out for whatever reason, you just go to the cash out section. Or if you want price, or you've accumulated price that are actual money, this is where you come to and you'll be able to cash it out. Basically, what you do here is send a request to process. Remember, you don't have any redeemable points yet. That's why your redeemable points is showing 0, but you actually have 1,000 points to play contest. But simple. Once you come here, you just type in, if you have points, you just type in how many points, how many, what you want to withdraw, right? You just type that here and it converts that to money, and it sends a request to us. We will contact you. That's why you need to fill up your account information and banking details that we ask you up front. We're going to call you if we need to verify your account. Once that's done, then we do a transfer to your account and you receive the funds in your account. But this is just you initiating a request for a cash out. We'll get it, and then we'll get it processed. All right, so that's really that on my account. It's pretty straightforward. I think it's pretty cool. And we also give you the quick overview of where you're at. You see how many points you have available. You can always use your point to enter contest. You can earn points and you can redeem points. You can click that and see what it does. All right, I'll see you in the next video.